Hello viewers, today I come with another new tutorial, and this tutorial is about how to work with Quix Shortcode. And Quix is a very nice page builder for Joomla. And let's see this video tutorial. I'll show you directly how can we work with this. So first go this module section, and you will see that here is two shortcode here, and you can also add it from here. You can also, if you click on it, you will see different types of it. Takes some loading time, so let's let it load. Yes, you will see there is some like delivery block and others. If you close it, so you will see many types of Quix shortcode, Quix ID 22, Quix ID 21, and now there is a question actually where these Quix shortcodes are, where we can do the changes. So whenever I go with Quix page builder, you see I am on there, and I am checking here. Yes, this is the Quix pages. From left side you see there are different options like pages, libraries, integration, elements, file manager, something like that. So if you check this is the pages section, and if you go library section, you will see there are lots of let me check. Check in. Let's check it later. 1 minute. Let's do it later, like this one. Check in, click on it, check in. Yes, check in done. So there is a lots of Quix ID, and you see there is a shortcode like Quix ID and Quix ID like pricing, schematic time, and from here you can make your own Quix ID by clicking new tab. I will not going to show it. I will show it in another video. I just here show it that where you get those Quix ID to change. Like if you check this Quix ID 22, so I will change the 22 like here is the delivery block, and here is the Quix ID 22. So I just click on it and do the changes, and it will do the changes with home page. Let's show it. Yes, here is the delivery block, and here is the bulb button. Let's I will change bulb button, and I will change the title like fast delivery, and I will change it to craftsmanship, this one craftsmanship, and I will just save it, and I will just save it, and it will show up save message. It takes few seconds, and success. So I will go home page, and here you will do the changes. See, let's see the changes here. Let's refresh, and you see that is the. So this is how it actually works with Quix shortcode, and you can easily do the changes. You can you can put the name for better understanding how actually you are going to work with. So this is how you can work with Quix shortcode with Joomla. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.